Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find reading mode. So by tapping on this button you can switch this mode by holding your finger, and you can access some of its settings. For example, you can enable classic or paper mode. Like, I don't think that you can see a big difference. You can also adjust them here, so you can change color temperature too. In paper you can also change its texture, and you can also enable light colors or just black and white. So yeah, and you can change color temperature too. And you can also set up a schedule for this mode, so you can select turn on time, turn off time, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.